Are you hearing scratching and scurrying noises in the roof? Laying in bed at night and all you can hear is a constant chewing and scratching up in the ceiling? Like a dripping tap, it just seems to get louder and louder, right above your head. I can just hear you say, I could take it if it weren't right above my head. Bloody possums. How long are you going to leave it before you look at it? All you guys out there, how many times have you been asked that question? I would say about 70% of all phone calls I receive from women are from those who have just had enough of asking their partners to do something about it. So they take matters into their own hands. And girls, the truth is that most times the guys aren't sure where the entry points are or how to fix them if they do find them. So they just don't bother. Seriously, that was just having a bit of fun. But the facts are that the longer a possum stays in your roof, the harder it is to keep it out. And the damage that possums can do to the gyprock ceiling is a costly repair. And sleep deprivation is a real issue and can be really dangerous to your health. So when you hear noises in the roof, it's usually one of two things: possums or rats. And sometimes it's both. So what do you do when you hear noises in your roof? What you don't do is just leave it and hope that it'll go away, because they won't. Unless, of course, they've been hit by a car. Getting them out early is the secret. The longer the possums are in your roof, the harder it is to keep them out. That's when you'll need to find someone who specialises in possum removal. And that's where Mr. Possum comes in. You see, the job you're really asking someone to do is to stop possums from getting back into your roof space and interrupting your sleep. So to ask any old pest control guy to get a possum out of your roof without possum proofing it isn't really a long-term solution. In fact, it's actually a waste of money. Over the past 8 years or so, I've seen a lot of resourceful possums and how they gain entry into your property. You'd be surprised at the lengths they'll go to. So if you have a problem and need a possum specialist to possum proof your property, just continue to visit the website or give us a call on 0403 819 828. That's 0403 819 828.